How to fix Xiaomi Redmi 15 Pro video recording not working. Let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. So from here you can see volume up and power button. So just press them once, volume up and power button. And from here simply swipe up, then mobile phone will be power off. And now second step is open settings app and go down, select apps, and from here we select manage apps, and from here search camera app, click on this, and from here we have storage, click on this, and from here you can clear data in storage camera, and after that go back and select about phone, and from here you can see update, click on this, and from here checking your latest version will be updated or not. If he doesn't update, then updated it to latest versions. After that your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.